Okay, yes. I know. Use Big Mad. God, I love their live vocals so much. I'd love to see a killing voice from them.
I love Michael's scream part.
Right? The way he screamed that out right there.
So gravelly.
Oh, God. I need everyone to stop walking aggressively. Yes. What? No. Which someone else was in the middle.
Yes, what? No. I love those parts from the song.
Right. I'd say Grounded, but I'm gonna blame the older ones for that. Yes.
Yeah. Like you. Hi, we're K-CordGirls. We have issues. So your father's a phone that.
And calm his damn teddies, okay? Crying. We're crying and laughing.
There's a lot going on in my bra. Floor. Get off the floor! Oh my god, what is wrong with them? A lot. It's a list.
It's a list.
I'm done! Go away!
I'm so done! Hi, hello, hey, welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new. I'm Bree.
I'm Mer.
And today we have a Patreon request. We are going to be checking out and team Going Blind, Run Wild, Firework at the 2025 Girls Awards Live. Yeah. So we have a K-Cord patron who's like, every month they're like, I choose death for you. Thank you. That's great. But that said, I am like also looking forward to watching this, even if it means I wind up 6 feet under.
Yep.
Yeah. This is gonna be a lot because I just finished making an FMV for Mer's birthday for next month of her.
Oh, is this the sandwich that's been giving you issues?
No. I already made that one. That was the first one I made. Was for your anti bias, and that was interesting. No, my top bun. The whole time I was making that, my top bun was hella mad. Okay, popping up left and right, and I was like, "Sir, this is not about you right now."
I get it. Because when I was making yours back in. Well, not in April, but March. I had to think about what month came before April. All my biases were like, "What are you doing?
Yeah.
Why are you looking at him?
Yeah.
You know what? This is not about you.
Right?
It's not even about me. Like, everybody, calm down. It's fine.
Right? And I'm like, and in this case, the bias FMV that I made for you, he is also a part of my sandwich. So like. He is one of the 4 layers in my sandwich. So like, you can't be mad, but someone's like, I am top bun, and therefore I can be mad as much as I want to be. Great. It's great. So I feel like this is perfect timing watching this after doing that. Yep. No, that other one is a different. Don't worry, you'll see whenever I post it, because you at least see when I post them. Whenever I post it,
I see who you make.
Yeah. So, no, that one will be the next one. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. But before we do, if you guys like this what? Words? What are they?
We don't know her.
I don't remember what I normally say.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe. And what else, Mer? Hit that bell!
You can also go chat and go talk with us in Discord. We also have exclusive reactions over on Patreon, and we're live streaming on Twitch Fridays through Saturdays. Right? Yeah, Fridays through Saturdays. That sounded weird. Anyways,
because it's Friday and Saturday.
Friday and Saturday. And we're watching Squid Game Season 3 and Boys Over Flowers, the K-drama for that. Wow, I'm already messed up today. This is not okay. I'm not okay. I have several people that I am blaming for this right now, okay? This mess that used to be a brain and is no longer a brain. Jeez, okay. That's cute. I have to keep reminding myself that it's loud because of the new earphones. Because for the video starting, I'm like, oh my god, it's so loud, and then I look, and it's like not that loud.
Right.
Great, because we need to go through. I'm just, yup. I love Fuma and Maki's face piece. That metal face piece they both have. I love that part in the choreo. Great. Okay, yes. Like, no, use Big Mad. I love that part from him. That, like, waving them off. Like, just get out of my way. Why are we walking so aggressively? Okay.
Those things look solid.
Do what? I'm sorry, my bad.
The blindfolds look solid. Like, how the fudge are they seeing through those? Are they just not? Are they?
I don't know, because that was like, okay.
That would be terrifying.
Huru right here, he put his on, and like then he had to like walk off to the side. And I'm like,
right.
I would walk off the side of the stage.
Right?
I don't know if it's just muscle memory from practicing so much, or if they're like actually more see-through than what we can tell, but it just blows my mind. The choreo here and the fact that they're blindfolded for it just blows my mind. God, I love their live vocals so much. I'd love to see a killing voice from them. Dangerous choreo. Dangerous choreo. Oh.
I love Maki's scream part.
Right? The way he screamed that out right there.
So gravelly.
Like I said, their live vocals are just absolutely insane across the board. Okay, now they did say when we did, when they sent in this Patreon request that there is some talking in between, but there's no subtitles. So we can choose to sit here and stare at their gorgeous faces while having no idea what they're saying. Or the patron K-CordGirls who sent this in was like, it's perfectly fine if y'all just want to skip to the next song.
I will leave that in your hands.
I don't know what to do. I'm like,
I'm not gonna know a single thing
I know,
they're saying.
we're not. Let's just go to the next song. Oh, wait. What is this? What is this? Hold on. You know what? I need subtitles. I need subtitles. Because I felt like something was going on right there, and I don't know what it was. He's like, I'm just gonna chill up here with the blindfold on.
Okay. エンティームみんな準備できてますか？バッチリです。皆さん準備できてますか？準備できてますか？ Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Is this the first time we're getting like a professional camera view of this performance? I feel like everything up until now has been like fan cams, like fans recording it. Okay. Gotta love the choreo. Gotta love the choreo for this one. Oh God. I need everyone to stop walking aggressively. Okay. Good Lord. Kay just leading with his hips again. Can't help it.
Right.
Yes. What? No. Which someone else was in the middle.
Yes. What? No.
Look at that saw Boomer go walk center, and I was like, yes. And then for some reason the camera was like, EJ. No, he was not center. What were we doing? God, I know I said this before because we've done reactions to their live performances of Firework before. I love this song so much, and the choreo. I love that. The formations they pull off are insane. Good lord.
I love those parts from the song.
Right. I'd say grounded, but I'm gonna blame the older ones for that. Yes.
Yeah, like you.
I love how they're getting those. Oh wow. The top down views with the aerial shots down. It's really cool seeing the formations from that angle. Okay. I love this part. I'm just saying, Joe has got to have some crazy core strength to balance up there like that, because I would have fell on my face. Okay. I do love Joe's vocal tone. He has this huskiness that's not like overly obvious that works so well.
Yeah. Same with Maki. Maki has this rasp that brings in this just grit to their songs that I really love.
Oh yeah. Plus, seeing everyone's live vocals are insane. I really would genuinely love to see a killing voice from them. That was fantastic. Well done. Yeah, just another great performance from them. So I feel like each performance we've watched from them, I go into expecting like how great they are, and then still wind up being blown away anyways. Like I said, their choreo, their formations, and then the live vocals on top of it. Again, across the board, the live vocals are insane for the whole group.
Right. I don't want to downplay their songs or their vocals at all, but whenever it's time to like watch them, I'm always excited to see their dance formations.
Yes.
Because they pull off some wild formations.
Yeah.
And then I'm always just overly treated with their vocals.
Oh yeah.
So
Definitely. And of course, you know, as usual, issues be issuing, but that is to be expected. To be expected. Someone definitely was still mad though. I was just, you know what? Stay mad, sir. Stay mad. I can't help you right now.
right.
Oh goodness. But this was fantastic. Happy to check out some more Team. Yeah. Guess we'll go ahead and wrap this one up. Hopefully you all enjoyed it as much as we did, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
God!
Wow.
I'm sorry!
No.
Oh my God. Why are we adding water? Why are we adding water? Oh my God.
Good God.
The choreo is so aggressive though.
This whole song should be illegal.
Man, their Woodrow choice for this.
Never mind. Never mind.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Pull back! Pull back!
청정누구 순결한테
Wow, that was a lot of information you put out there!
야, 난 여기.
You should. Look.
Oh
Oh my god.
내 것이다.
Okay.
Oh boy!
Wow.
No, no!
Oh my god!
안녕, 사람.
Damn it, I knew wrong was gonna be the one that
Right.
took me out! Y'all are standing way too still right now.
Right? Move your ass! I don't know.
I'm not gonna cry.
I am.
Yep.
He really didn't like that jumpsuit. He really didn't like the orange jumpsuit. That's what that was.
Oh my god.
Good God, Kay.
Yeah, that's the dance, guys. Good job.
He is too extra. Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh baby.
Why do I feel like Sugar just took
Oh
him
my
hostage?
god.
This is the performance I wanted to see like a year ago.
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt. Girl.
ふざけた
Girl.
俺だって男なんだよ
Brian semi-catch left guard, maybe? Oh, wow.
Wait, what? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like, really
Whoa.
important.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell?